Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you're fine. We studied chapter 1, Hardware Basic, in our last lecture. Today we are going to continue it from where we left in the last lecture. We studied control unit and memory in the last lecture. Today we are going to study expansion card and expansion slots. Expansion card. An expansion card is basically an electronic card, or you can say an electronic board that is used to add extra functionalities to the computer. Means whatever the default functionalities the computer have, if you want to add any extra functionality, you can add it through expansion card. Alright, there are 4 types of expansion cards. First one, sound card. Sound card allows a computer to receive sound in digital form and reproduce it through speakers. Sound card is also known as audio card. It deals with everything to do with the sound and the audio signals within the computer. Means that whatever the sound that is in the computer, we are going to hear it from the speaker. It is converted through sound card. Sound card converts digital sound data into analog format, which is then relayed to an external device such as a headphone or speakers, devices that are capable of playing sound such as headphones or speakers. Alright, that means that sound card, the main purpose of the sound card is to convert the sound so we can hear it through headphones or speakers. Okay, the second type of expansion card is graphic card. A graphic card is more often called video card. You must have heard it, video cards. Graphic card enables computer to display output image on monitor screen. Basically, a graphic card is responsible for generating image to display such as on the computer monitor or laptop screen. Means graphic card के through you can see the visual display on monitor or the laptop screen. Okay, visual display means the display you usually see on the monitor when you open it. Alright, the third type is network interface card. Network interface card enable a computer to connect and communicate with other computer. A network card is an expansion card which allow you to connect one computer to another computer or to a computer network such as LAN and WAN, local area network and wide area network. Local area network is that in which you have limited computers and you connect them through one device. And WAN is basically a wide area network that is on big scale, and LAN is a network that is on small scale. Alright. The network card was most popular in early models of computer. In modern machines, almost all computers have built-in, or you can say a network interface built-in card directly in the motherboard. You don't have to attach it. It is already built in it, right? That means that this card is found in the on the motherboard in modern computers. You don't have to attach them. You just you can use it because it is already there. Okay, the fourth type of expansion card is modem. We studied modem in communication devices. We studied modem in communication devices. The modem is a communication device. You remember communication devices? Communication devices are those devices that connect one computer with other computers. Remember? So a modem is a communication device that allows computers to send and receive data through telephones or cables line. That means it connects one computer to another computer and send and receive data through cables. It is basically an electronic device that converts digital data over phone wires. It converts digital data and sends it, and then converts the digital data and the receiver receives the data. Okay? Expansion slots. An expansion slot is basically a socket on the motherboard that is used to insert an expansion card. You know, expansion cards are used to give extra functionalities to the computer, and to attach the expansion card or to use the expansion card you need expansion slots. So there are three types of expansion slots. Industry standard architecture, you can see it on the screen. It is an expansion slot that is usually found in Windows-based computer. There are different Windows or Linux-based, or there are different types, but these are usually found in Windows-based computer. Usually your monitors, PCs, or your laptops are usually Windows-based. You see Windows XP, Windows 10, Windows 8, you might have seen. Okay. ISA operates at much slower speed than PCI. PCI is the second type of expansion slot. We will discuss it. This type of slot works with slower devices such as modems. Modem is a slow device as it receives and sends the data slowly. So ISA is an expansion slot that is used to add or connect the modem to the computer. Alright? Mostly the computers today that we see contain a mixture of PCI and ISA slot. ISA slot we have studied, and PCI slot we are going to study. Most computers that are Windows based contain mixture of these two slots. But we are expecting that ISA slot will be eliminated soon. Eliminated means will be vanished soon. Khatam ho jayegi. ISA slot will not be found on the computer because it is a slower device. It connects slower device and it operates at slow speed. That's why it is going to eliminate soon. Okay, the second type is PCI. Peripherals Component Interconnect. We studied peripherals. What were the peripherals? The input and output devices that were connected to system unit through cables. Remember? That was peripherals. Alright. PCI is the most common expansion slot that is found in today's computer. Right? That means whichever computer you might have at the home or in the lab, we have PCI slots on there. Right? PCI slots provide high speed. ISA slot provides slow speed. PCI slots provide high speed data path between computer and peripheral device that are connected to the expansion slot, connected by expansion slot. That means that you have high data speed connection. You have high connection between computer and the input or output devices that is connected to your computer through expansion slot. For example, printer. You connect a printer to the computer through a slot using a cable. Right. That slot is expansion. That slot is PCI slot. Alright. PCI slot will provide you high speed so that you can print the paper from the computer. Understand? There are basically mostly commonly 2 to 4 PCI slot on a motherboard. The third type of expansion slot is accelerated graphics port. AGP is a specialized expansion slot used only for graphic or video card. That means we studied the graphic card. It was used to show the visual display on your monitor or screen. So AGP is basically a slot, expansion slot, that is made to support the graphic cards. So you can see the display on the screen. Alright? So take out your copies and start writing the classwork. Write date and day. Write chapter 1 and underline it. Use colors to underline. Now write question number 4D and make a line between the page. On the left side, write expansion card. On the right side, write expansion slot. This is the difference between expansion card and expansion slot. Question number 5, part 6. How many expansion slots are there in computer? Write their names. Write the answer. Then write the question number 5, part 7. Write the name of major expansion cards and explain them. There are 4 major expansion cards. Write their names and their description as well. You have to continue from the down. Alright. Write question, match column A and column B and write the correct answer alphabet in column C. You have to write the alphabet and the answer in column C. Make 3 columns on your copy, A, B and C. Then write column A, then write column B, then match them using different colors. Match them using different colors, alright? Like I have matched them using different colors. Then write the correct answer in column C. Okay, that's it for today. You have your diary. Your diary is to learn the classwork. Learn the question we have done in the classwork today. Allah Hafiz, students.